How to temporarily disable face unlock in Samsung M56. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to temporarily disable your face unlock, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option security and privacy. Now click on it and then scroll down, go back, click on lock screen, and then on top you can see the option screen lock type. Now click on it. Now enter your current pin and here you can see the option face, and if you want to temporarily disable your face unlock, then simply turn this button off. After turning this button off, it will temporarily disable your face unlock. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.